After the screen is connected to the network, the management background can be accessed. Select Equipment List and check whether the screen is online, according to the screen's MAC address. Select Remote Control to remotely view and control screen in real time. Select Program Management. Choose the pack.t5l file to be updated. Select the online device. Click Batch Distribution to achieve remote program upgrade. Select VP Debugging and enter the starting address. Modify the network name and password. Enter the page switching command to switch to page 00. Insert the USB drive for upgrading.